Welcome all. This is the second part of the Lotus Eaters poem. In this poem, the second half is going to be explained. The second half name is Choric Song, and the second half of this poem is made up of 8 stanzas. And these 8 stanzas will act as a choric song. In that, Odysseus' crew now they were safely and very comfortably arrived to the land of Lotus Eaters, and now uh, they are not interested to return to their home because they enjoyed very much in by after eating Lotus Eaters. They are entering into the world of pleasure. After of 10 years of journey, they are enjoying their happiness. In the first of the 3 stanzas and choric song part, the men begin by stating that this land is full of music because they are entered into the world of pleasure. So the land is full of music that falls softly. They were enjoying the atmosphere and also the condition. Its sounds resembles the petals of roses blowing onto the grass, or perhaps it resembles the dews that softly collect on still waters. You all know the dew. They were comparing the dews were on the waters. It was அப்படி இருக்கிற மாதிரி. They continue piling up and state that it is gentler than the feeling of closing one's eye when one is tired. Because they were very happy to be there. They cannot explain the happiness, but they are telling if one the feeling of one's closing eye when one is tired, when they are very much enjoy, it brings joy to them when they after eating this fruit that gives the joy to them, that is like falling down from the blissful skies. They were telling that they are falling from the blessed sky. They have everything that they could want because they were not in the conscious. They are very semi conscious. They are still awake, but they doesn't know what is happening around them. The earth is made from mosses and is wound with ivies. The beautiful unity of the plants is complemented by streams. See, they were telling the the beauty of the place. They were explaining. The stream had hold flowers and the ledge which plays host to poppies. They were explaining the beauty. The world around them resembles their own interior feelings because they were not in the condition conscious state. So they were telling the world around them resembles their own inner feelings. The world understood their feeling, and that giving them their happiness. They're seeing their own inner peace reflected in plants, streams, and on and because they think the plants and the streams and the river and the lake, whatever, it was enjoying their own peace, and it was experiencing their own feelings. Like that, they are also experiencing their own inner feelings. In the second stanza of the choric song that follows a particular theme of discontent. Here, the narrator, speaking for the men, asks the universe why men have no rest while others do. They are explaining why should we work while others have the other people are all are resting. Only we are working for us. When we are only the suffering, we are only suffering in this universe. Why should we want to suffer? They were questioning that. The men do not believe that this is fair as everything else in the world have rest. Because the people after eating the lotus eaters, they are talking like this. They are talking very foolishness. Because why should we want to work while others are rest? Because the world has rest, but they have to work only for their earning. And they were asking this question after eating the lotus fruit. They consider only the inner feelings. They with their own well-being. They no longer feel about their family or children. While they are in war, they are very much beyond. They are very eager to reach their home to see their family and also his offspring, whatever it is. And now he was talking like why we want to rejecting his hard work, because while he was they were working participating in the battle, they were fighting and whatever doing, they are very much interested to do the hard work. They have to be a soldier. Now after eating this lotus eaters, they are talking differently because they doesn't want to work. They are asking why we want to struggle in our life, and they have want to be only rest. They want only the rest. They are all longer to they want to throw out their sorrow to sorrow itself. They were not in favor of working. Now after eating this plain, they are totally changed. The third of these choric song stanzas speaks on how the men feel that unlike the rest of creation, they are unable to have a peaceful life that consists of living and then dying. They are unable to bear that. They want to live as a leaf does, because they want to live as it is happens, as it is goes on. Budding being blown on its branch, growing green and broad, never having to take care, and then finally, after being dew fed under the moon. They were their interest was explaining by these lines, and they turn yellow and float to the ground. It means they as like leaf means for first the leaf will be what it compares to a child age. After it grows on, it compared to their age, and then it will be very green. That is their brightness, their youthness, and after it turns to yellow, their old age, and after that they doesn't want to work hard. They just goes on by நடக்கிற போல நடக்கட்டும் அப்படின்னு. They are seeing the life cycle of the simplest parts of creation. It's God's creation. They are wondering about the God's creation. It grows as it is happens in the world, as the most appealing to them. They are interested to live as it is. Here, all the things the chorus states they are able to live on an allotted length of days, because they are interested to live for the allotted time which was God has given for them, which was God granted for them, and then be replaced by something else that will eventually ripen and fade. Yeah, as it is happens in the leaf. After some days, it will ripen and fall. Like this, there also life also. They after their old age, they will enter into the eternity. They are telling, why should we work for that? We just goes on by God's wish. In the fourth stanza, the speakers are bemoaning the fact that they were all hearing towards death and must labor on the word day. They do not believe that life should be completely made of labor. They doesn't want their life only to working, only laboring means it was they were only their life goes on working. They don't want to be alone. They just want to skip up the work, and they have to live very peace. Their lives are moving very quickly, and death will soon approach. While they are still alive, they want to be left alone and having nothing else taken from them. There is no point that they can see fighting wars against evil. They don't want the fighting itself, because they are fighting against the evils and there is no pleasure in it. They are very struggling in it. They are feeling very much they are wasting their time by fighting against the evils. They want the pleasure. Nothing in the world is going to last. So why they should waste their time by making these adventures and making dreadful memories? Better we can stay as it is our life. They were thinking like that, because they after eating the lotus it is they are totally changed. They doesn't want to work, they don't want to make adventure, they don't want to do what they want to enjoy the pleasure. And after thinking, they are thinking that better to live a life of labor, better to live as a life of always working. It is better to die now. At the end of the stanza they are telling like that. In the fifth stanza of the choric song part, it describes how sweet a life it would be to lay around in a half dream all the time. He it describes about the life. It was a sweet memories that the speakers are all seeing all the good parts of a completely simple life and none of the bad parts. The speaker was still seeing only the good, simple, and a peaceful life, not about the bad things. The men are dreaming here of a life in which they can live in a pleasure, not by doing works, not working, not by doing some other work, just சும்மா இருந்தாலே வாழ்க்கை நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறாங்க. Here the men are seeing, watching the waves, and that was coming to the shore, and it was going. It was that the waves like a curving lay of the spray, and which they were seeing all the nature. Or some people will say when I see the waves of the beach, or when I went to the beach, I will feel like peace. Some people will say when they sang song, I will feel like some free. But they are seeing, just they will come with their bodies, hearts, and spirits to the over to the memories of the past. They will remember all those that have passed away, because they past, all normally the people will remember all the past, but they doesn't all forget all the past as a past away thing, just passed away. That was not happen, but they were enjoying the feelings, and they will not be bothered by death though, and they will know they are living the best possible version of that. They are, these people are like that, they forget about that, they doesn't bother about their death, and they don't have any fear for death. They are living their best possible version. They are living their possible life with much of pleasure here on the island, so they doesn't want to go return to their home. These men are continually saying they forgot our past lives, where we live, where our place, we all forgot that. So with the last moments they spend with their wives, they forgot that too. They forgot that they're their children, and they forgot everything that used to be matter to them. They are accepting of the fact now what was happening, that was happening things, they forgot all the things, their even their households, or they forgot that also. And even that their sons all grown up having inherited their father's looks, because his son have his looks, his appearance, his own activities, he forgot that too, because he forgot his children. When entering into this, he forgot everything. This makes their trouble to return to their home, so they don't want to return to their home. They would bring nothing but trouble to the home. They have been gone for so long, because they almost 10 years they were in bottle. They did not believe things would ever go back to the way they were. They are not going to their returning to their home, because they are enjoying here, and so they are not willing to go there, because they forgot all the homes and their household and their place and their wives and their children. While they are fighting in Troy for 10 years, the island princes could have been overruled and taken over their homes. The men deeds would have been forgotten and their names sent. He was telling that when they are fighting in Troy, better the island prince should take up the role and play and fight among the evils. But what they could have forgotten and their names shimmered. They have no intention of fixing this state of things, if it is indeed in the case. They are fine to let it stay broken, as it is too hard to begin order once it is lost. Still, once it is forgot everything, they doesn't know what to do now. Still, they believe they would only make things worse. If they go to home, they forget everything. If they went there, they will make some worse things in their homeland. Even if things have not gone well from the start, even if they go to home, then something will happen, because they forgot everything. In the seventh stanza of the choric song, the men once more reiterate what the alternative to returning to home. In the seventh stanza, they are planning what is the alternative way to returning to home and creating more, uh, because they are very stubborn in their position. So, what is the way to make them to return to their home? They could and want to just say stay here, because they are very much interested to stay here. And there are two different types of European plants. Moly is also an another plant which have magical properties, like the lotus plant. It is was growing in the European type of plant, moly, moly. It is also having some magical properties like lotus like lotus plant. They will relax with half dropped eyelids and spend their days watching the river and hills, and they're watching the beautiful things which was happening around them. That was the God's creation, and they was enjoying by seeing all these things. The sea will now be to them to just sight in the distance. Now they are seeing the sea that was like the distance, because they are in the pleasure world. There will be no more sailing or dangers. They don't want to sail more, and they don't want to face danger anymore, because when they are coming in the ship or going to for the war, they will face with giant wars, giant waves. They have to sail according to that. They have to turn the ship according to that. They should not clash the ship in the mountains or then the rocks. They have to manage that, so they don't want to do the such things. There will be no more sailing or dangers, and they will be granted safety and endless day of gazing on the rivers of this island. They should be very guaranteed in their life. They want their safetyness for their life, so they are going to live in this island. because these men don't want to face many more problems, or don't want to face any more difficulties of their life. Instead they state that they are going to live in this land with the pleasure, because they are resting their mankind, and they, with after eating this flower, they are like uh, enjoying their life. Say they are telling they're very, very peaceful. After eating this lotus, they will be as gods, observing, not interfering with mankind, because they think that they are gods. So they don't want to work, they don't want to feel any sorrows or miseries or problem, whatever it is. So they are like god, they are feeling like gods. This is a misinterpretation of the gods of Greek mythology. It is a misinterpretation of the Greek mythology, as they were most known for the inability to stop interfering with mankind. They are constantly changing the course of history. Here constantly the history was changed, because there it's a misinterpretation. It was a Greek mythology poem, so it was misinterpreted. Here in the choric song, the sailors say that they see the gods are spending all their time just as the men are now, because they are telling that the god are spending the wasting their time like the man's now. The only difference being that they recline along the while alongside, while hurling bolts of lightning into the valleys. It was telling that the god, they say, do not care about the impact of God won't care about the famine. It means panjam, plague, whatever it is. This is an earthquake on the humans below them. They smile and listen to music while when suffered. They were changing the mind of the sailors to move to their homeland. The speakers describe the music as being created by the gods. Indifference consists of human lamentation. The maltreatment of humans by the god has been going on forever. It is an ancient problem, and the god have enjoyed all of the time. They were telling that god doesn't care about the man. They will be as it is going on, whatever famine or whatever plague or whatever earthquake, tsunami, whatever comes here, he won't care about that. Only the god will, after human, he will hear the human lamentation. The only they god has been gone on forever. It is an ancient problem. He doesn't care about that. He will enjoy all the time. God has enjoyed like this men also, after eating this lotus plant, they are the enjoying their life. Here mankind is forced to sow the deed and reap the harvest. It means what we sow, what we will reap. It's a mankind common thing, because when we, if we work, we will gain some profit. With that we can make our life better. A person's life is made of nothing but hard work and misery. If a person born, he will have sorrow, misery, happiness, and also hard work will earn him to grow a better person. These lucky beings are resting, and they are wasting their life by being like a they don't want to work hard, they just want to enjoy the pleasure. That could not be happen. It's a man's life that will consist of hard work and also misery. It's a life of a person. It's the life must consist of hard work and also misery, worries, happiness, everything will consist of. They conclude this a poem by restating that surely slumber is sweeter than toil, they were telling, and by reassuring one another that they will ease their burdens from now on. They want to enjoy, but they are telling that, and they was telling that God will hear only the lamentation of the human being. And they're concluding this poem by a small concept. It means the sailors should say like, sleep is better than work, and the shore is better than sea. It means earning will comes through hard work, and their sufferings will go when they can enjoy their happiness when they go to their homeland. That they are saying, and they are changing their mind, and these men are telling that will not wander anymore. They will be very they will make rest at home, they were telling. And they are making and concluding this poem. And this poem, Lotus Eater Second Part 2, was Choric song, and now it was concluded. The whole story was telling about after eating the lotus plant, the mariners, means the sailors, everything's mind changed and they want to be very enjoy the pleasure, and they was telling the story in this poem, and that's all. Thank you.